They're launching million-dollar startups from laptops. No teams, no offices, no upfront cash, just smart tools and smarter timing. In 2025, this is no longer reserved for elite coders or VC-backed founders. Right now, solo entrepreneurs are building entire AI-powered businesses with zero coding knowledge and almost no budget, all from home. So let's break down the AI business ideas that anyone can start in 2025, using the tools that already exist without writing a single line of code. Why AI businesses in 2025 are so profitable. The global AI market is already massive and growing fast. It's expected to cross $1.3 trillion by 2030. But that number doesn't tell the whole story. What's really happening is this. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, Replit, 11 Labs, VoiceFlow, and others have leveled the playing field. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need investors. You just need access to these tools and a clear niche problem to solve. In this new economy, speed matters more than sophistication. The people winning right now aren't overthinking. They're launching quick MVPs in 24 hours and testing them live. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the profit margins have never looked better. The AI Content Factory. Let's start with content. The oxygen of digital business. Every creator, brand, and online business is under constant pressure to post across TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, blogs, and newsletters. But doing that consistently is exhausting. That's where an AI Content Factory becomes a high-income business model. This is a setup where one piece of original content, say, a YouTube video or blog, gets automatically transformed into dozens of platform-ready posts, voiceovers, and repurposed formats in minutes. You can build this factory using tools like ChatGPT, Poppy AI, InVideo, 11 Labs, and Canva. Feed in a long-form video or transcript and let the AI do the rest, turning it into short videos, tweets, blog posts, email newsletters, or even a podcast. Agencies are already paying top dollar for this kind of service, and smaller creators are desperately looking for plug-and-play solutions that help them keep up with the content race. AI voice agents. Voice AI is exploding right now, and it's changing how businesses talk to customers. Advanced AI voice bots now handle calls, bookings, complaints, and even refunds. Tools like 11 Labs, PlayHT, and Whisper are at the center of this revolution. Imagine you build a virtual receptionist for a dentist's office, or a call bot that schedules appointments at salons, or answers FAQs at a medical clinic. These businesses get flooded with calls every day and don't want to pay full-time staff. But with an AI voice agent that sounds human and operates 24/7, their problems disappear. Start with one niche, automate a real need, and scale from there. The margins are huge, and the demand is only growing. AI-powered virtual tutors and language coaches. The education industry is entering its AI era. The market for AI in education is projected to reach $24 billion by 2034, and there's plenty of room for new players. With platforms like BotPress, ChatGPT API, and the LinguaTrip model, you can launch a virtual tutor that's available 24/7, adjusts to each student's learning style, and scales infinitely. This is perfect for high-demand areas like IELTS or TOEFL prep, math, coding, and language learning. These AI tutors can create personalized lessons, track progress, and provide instant feedback. Parents are already spending $50 to $200 per month on tutoring apps. Build one that actually works, and you can scale with little overhead. Selling prompts. One of the most underrated income streams in 2025 is writing and selling AI prompts. It sounds simple, but the demand is real. Platforms like PromptBase have created entire ecosystems around selling effective prompts for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E. Why? Because prompt quality controls the output. If you know how to structure text to produce stunning visuals, polished writing, or usable templates, you're sitting on a sellable digital asset. Top sellers are making $200 to $500 per month passively. Some create bundles like 50 Midjourney prompts for fashion logos, or 25 AI resume prompts for job seekers, and sell them for $15 to $199 each. It requires no code, no shipping, no client meetings, just creativity and a good understanding of what people want. Personal finance, AI assistance. People are overwhelmed managing their money tracking expenses, investing, budgeting, and optimizing for taxes. AI can simplify all of this, and consumers are ready to pay for it. Using tools like Clio, Plum, OpenAI, and fintech APIs, you can build an assistant that connects to bank accounts, flags unusual activity, suggests savings goals, and even helps users budget smarter. The real edge here is cost. Unlike human financial advisors, AI assistants can offer similar insights for a $10 to $50 per month subscription, and they're always available. Start by targeting young professionals, freelancers, or digital nomads. Create a freemium model that offers basic features for free and charges for premium add-ons like tax insights or investment tips. AI agents for influencers. Creators spend hours managing brand deals, searching, negotiating, replying, tracking. What if an AI agent could do all that? Build a tool that connects creators with relevant brands, drafts personalized pitches, and handles negotiations automatically. With tools that scrape brand databases, combine niche engagement data, and learn from past campaigns, this becomes a 24/7 digital manager. With influencer marketing already worth billions in 2025, this AI solution has huge potential. You could charge influencers a monthly fee or take a 10 to 20% cut of every deal the AI helps close. This idea has recurring revenue written all over it, especially if you build strong integrations with platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok analytics. Scientific research AI assistance. In the world of biotech and academia, AI is doing more than optimizing, it's revolutionizing. DeepMind's AlphaFold has already transformed protein prediction, but there's still so much more room to help labs and research teams move faster. Using tools like ChatGPT API and other machine learning platforms, you can create AI copilots that propose hypotheses, analyze huge datasets, simulate outcomes, and even recommend next experiments. These tools could become must-haves for startups, universities, or healthcare institutions. Plus, this sector is flush with funding, from research grants to institutional investment. If you're in science, this is one of the most impactful and lucrative ways to use AI. Building the iOS of robotics. Robots are no longer science fiction, they're shipping from warehouses and entering homes in real time. As they become more common, they need software to do meaningful tasks. That's where you come in. Think of building apps for robots the way we build apps for phones. Tools like Boston Dynamics SDK let you create routines and behaviors for robots. You could develop a studio assistant that controls lighting via voice command, or a household bot that adjusts cleaning tasks based on the weather. These micro-apps can be sold directly to end users or businesses. And as robotics goes mainstream, so will demand for simple, useful robot software. Run everything with agents. Want to build something bold? How about an entire business clinic, agency, law firm run entirely by AI? These full-stack AI companies are still rare, but by 2030, they'll be everywhere. You could start small. Build an AI therapist, a legal advisor, or a fitness coach. As your system collects more data and improves, you can scale into other services. Every function marketing, service delivery, support can be automated. This model offers unicorn potential because the cost of scaling is so low. No payroll, no HR, just a series of well-designed AI agents working together. And if you focus on underserved niches, the demand is already there. Here's the truth, most people won't take action, but in 2025, you don't need to raise capital or know how to code. All you need is the right idea, the right tools, and the drive to launch. Let us know in the comments which AI business idea excites you the most. Would you start your own AI tutoring platform? Or build the next virtual agent that replaces a full sales team? And if you're still thinking, but where do I even start? Just pick one problem you face every day and solve it with AI. That's how most successful startups begin. More deep dives on launching and scaling these ideas are coming soon, so make sure to subscribe. The AI revolution is real, it's personal, and it's your turn to own a piece of it. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice or investment recommendations. The views expressed are based on publicly available data and current market analysis at the time of creation. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We are not responsible for any financial losses or decisions made based on the content in this video.